Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video we'll be learning about HTML tables. Now HTML tables are very important when you want to show information to your user in a tabular or in an Excel sheet format. So how can we create a table in HTML? Now if you may have guessed, the first thing to do is to create the table tag. Now the table tag in HTML is just type in table and you have the table tag. Then next thing we will do is to add a tag which is specific to the table tag, and it's called the TR tag, which is short for table row. So now we're going to add a new table row. Then in the table row we're going to add the tag table data, which is TD. So in this TD, let me remove this and put, okay, I can put my name. Then in the second column I can put last name. Okay, so now let's copy this table row and create two more. So I can put any name, okay. So now we can save this and refresh. Okay, first of all let me put this in my working folder. So this is it. So now I can save this and refresh. So now you can see we have Destiny, Clem, Michael, Daniel, James, Mark. Now if you notice, all these are in different columns. So Destiny, Michael and James are in the first column, because in the code structure we put Destiny in the first table data in this table row, then put Michael in the first table data in the second table row, and so on. So that's why they appear like this. So you can add as many more columns. So I can add one more column for, let's say, favorite color, and okay, red. And save this, and you notice that the next column just appears after the last one. So you can add as many columns as you need in your HTML table. Now let's say you now want to actually make this table more understandable by actually knowing what these columns specify. So to do that, we'll have to create the table head. And to create a table head in HTML, you use the, first of all we use the T head tag, so that's short for table head. Then you create a new table row just like we've done here, but in table head we use the TH tag, which is short for table heading. If you notice here, we use TD, which is table data. In table head we use the TH, which is table heading. So for the first column, we can call that column first name, then just copy this last name and favorite color. So let's save this and go back and refresh. Now you can see that each column now has their respective column name above it, and you can see that they are bold and the rest of the text is normal. Now since we are going to be using the table head tag in our table, it's best practice to wrap your table content, which is all this, in the table body tag. Now the table body tag in HTML is the T body. So let's just cut this, type out the T body tag, which is short for table body, then you can paste that back in and you save. So when you refresh, it doesn't actually change anything, but that's just to give this table more meaning, and it will be easier if you want to style this with CSS. Now that's it for this video. We've seen how we can structure a table properly in HTML, and you can play around with this and see the tables you can create with this. So in the next video, we'll be looking at links and how we can actually start building a working website with different pages to make up our full website. So see you in that video. Bye.